future of automation with PsiBot, an advanced robotic solution designed to change the way the world works. PsiBot comes with a 360-degree 3D vision system that is capable of mapping the environment precisely and in depth. Equipped with a flexible neck and a waist with 2 degrees of freedom, this robot has extraordinary natural mobility to interact with its surrounding environment. Powered by the Thor computing platform, PsiBot has a powerful brain to run complex artificial intelligence models. Embedded in the chest is an advanced RGBD camera that provides sharp spatial perception capabilities, allowing PsiBot to work safely and accurately. With a force control system on 7 joints, PsiBot is able to perform sensitive tasks with a high level of precision, even up to 99.99% accuracy in the task of moving goods. The flexibility is limitless, starting from factory assembly lines that can operate for a full 30 days, to the task of arranging goods in supermarkets that require intelligent spatial navigation. Supported by 4-wheel omnidirectional mobility, PsiBot moves smoothly and stably on various surfaces. PsiBot is not just a robot. He is a tough, smart, and reliable colleague who is ready to redefine industry efficiency standards. PsiBot, future technology for today's productivity.